So maybe due to some issues, you want to reset all data settings on your Canon Pixma G3020. Well, stay with us because in this video we're going to show you how to do that, and this will work on any Canon G series printer. First, you need to turn the power button on your printer if it's off. Next, press on this setup or tool button. Now, after that, just remember, go left or right using this set of arrows, and to select an option, use this OK button. Now, from Wi-Fi setup, go right to device setting, and then press OK to select it. Keep going right until you reach reset settings on your screen. And after that, press OK to confirm. Again, press right, and when you see all data on your screen, confirm by pressing on OK. And last but not the least, go left and then press OK to confirm this process. Just wait for a while for the reset process to complete. Now after reset, you'll have to reconnect with the devices those were wirelessly connected to your printer if you have any. And also, hopefully it'll solve any problem caused by the previously customized settings on your printer. Let us know how that went in the comments, and please subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.